Did you know that a single teaspoon of honey represents the life work of 12 bees? Yeah, that's right. These little pollinators bust their butts just to make that sweet golden goodness. Crazy, right? Welcome back, science fans. Today, we're diving into some unbelievable science facts that are guaranteed to blow your mind. These mind-boggling truths can totally change how we see the world around us. So, let's get ready to explore the wonders of science together. Now, let's talk about something interesting. A lot of us struggle with understanding complex scientific concepts. I mean, let's be real, sometimes science feels like this huge, complicated puzzle, right? There are misconceptions that float around, like how we think we know everything about the universe or even our own bodies. But the truth is, science is always evolving, and there's so much we don't know. It's all about breaking down those walls and getting to the core of these fascinating facts. So, let's tackle that challenge and open our minds to the unbelievable. Let's dive into some cool science facts. First off, did you know that the universe is so vast that it's estimated there are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth? Mind-blowing, right? And how about the human brain? It's one of the most complex structures known to man, with around 86 billion neurons firing away, making it capable of processing information at lightning speed. Here's a fun fact. No two fingerprints are alike. That means even identical twins have different fingerprints. Just think about how unique each of us is. Science is full of these incredible revelations, and they really make you appreciate the world we live in. Now, let's get to the big bang of our discussion. Here's a mind-blowing fact that might just blow your socks off. Water can actually exist in 3 states at once. That's right. Imagine standing in a place where ice, liquid water, and water vapor all coexist. This phenomenon is called the triple point, and it happens under specific conditions. It's a perfect example of how science can defy our expectations and teach us about the complexities of nature. Isn't that just astonishing? So, to wrap things up, we've explored some incredible science facts today. From the hard work of bees to the mind-boggling vastness of the universe, and even the unique nature of our fingerprints, these facts remind us of the incredible world we live in. Science is not just about equations and theories. It's about the wonder of existence itself. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your favorite science fact? Drop it in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to check out another one of our science-related videos. If you want to know about evaluation of technology, click the video on right side.